well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to another Lush haul video. Now, did I need to go to Lush? Absolutely not. I have so many Lush products to use. It is ridiculous. However, me and Ryan went to London very recently and I had to go to Lush I cannot get my words out. Had to go to Lush Oxford Street because firstly, I don't live in London, so going to Lush Oxford Street is a real treat, but also the past few times I've been has been for an event, so I haven't had the time to just really appreciate the shop as a shop, if you know what I mean. So me and Ryan headed there and I wanted to do something a little bit different for this video, and if you guys love it, let me know because I would love to film more in different locations. But essentially what I did is I went to Lush Oxford Street and I got Ryan to basically film me shopping, show you guys the store, and just kind of give you like a kind of shop with me kind of vibe. And again, I would love to know if you like this kind of video. It's more just B-roll style footage, but I wanted to share with you guys what the store looks like, and if you've never been, you can get a bit more of an idea of what it was like. So you are going to witness me now doing some shopping, and then we're going to dive in to the Lush haul because I couldn't go to Lush and not buy anything. Granted, it's not a massive Lush haul. Like, it's not overly massive, however, I want to share it with you anyway. So, without further ado, we are going to dive right into the Lush shopping segment of this video. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So now you guys have seen me do all the shopping, it is time to go through what we picked up. We essentially went in for one thing and one thing only, and I seem to have left with four. Ask me why. Honestly, I don't know. So I'm going to start off with the items that we kind of went in for originally, and then go through all of the other things that I basically picked up because I got too excited and wanted to spend money on Lush, which, you know, are we surprised? Not really. So the item that me and Ryan went in there for was actually the dirty toothpaste tabs. Now, we are massive fans of the Lush toothpastes. I really, really love them, and I'm not gonna lie, the tablets aren't my favorite. I'm more of a jelly kind of gal, but Ryan loves the tablets. He's actually already opened these. He couldn't wait for me to film the video, so he's already dived in. But these smell incredible. If you guys have never used them, they're essentially like little tablets. You crunch them in your mouth, you get your toothbrush wet, and then you just kind of go to town. I think these are really great for travel. If you're traveling abroad, or you're going like backpacking or anything like that, like these are really, really good. And these are the dirty flavour, which is more of a minty spearmint kind of vibe. Ingredients wise, in these ones we have got spearmint oil, neroli oil and lavender oil, but honestly these just smell and taste like mint. So if you do really want to get into like the Lush toothpaste, but you want to start with something that is quite similar to normal toothpaste, this is a really good place to start. They're very nice, very fresh, and you obviously have so many uses in this one tub. This tub actually retails for £7, and you do have loads and loads of toothpaste in there. So that is the first thing we picked up, and essentially the only thing we went in for, but I ended up buying more because I cannot control myself. I then picked up a toothpaste for myself, and that is the Black Sabbath toothpaste jelly. I am not going to lie to you, I have a lot of toothpaste currently on the go at the moment. I didn't need this, but I really love the toothpaste jelly, and I'd ran out and I thought, do you know what, sod it, let's just pick up another one. This one retails for £9, and ingredients wise in this one, it's Brazilian orange oil, tangerine oil, agar gel, carrageenan extract. It's a very lovely kind of fruity scent. I kind of would explain it. I'm going to open it and smell it and see. I can't really remember. Weirdly enough, this smells like a chewing gum, kind of like Tutti Frutti chewing gum, sort of. It's so good though. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So as you can see, this one is a toothpaste jelly, so it's a solid jelly, and all you have to do is get your toothbrush, I cannot keep saying toothbrush, just dry, pop a little bit on like that, and then you run it under the water. I don't tend to get this wet itself. Oh, I absolutely love it. Honestly, I think these are just really underrated Lush products. Like, these are so good. If you guys, again, are going on holiday or you're traveling, anything like that, like these are a must. I am going on about 3 holidays next year, which is just... it's crazy in itself. There will be vlogs coming, so I'm definitely going to grab some of these because I just think they're just so handy to have. I love them. There's 3 flavours of the jellies. I love every single one of them. And I honestly don't have a favourite. I love them all. So that is what I picked up. And the next item I picked up is something which I did not need. I'm not going to lie to you. I have so many shower gels on the go currently that I do not need any more. However, I saw this when I went to Covent Garden. If you guys didn't see the vlog, make sure you go check it out. But I just couldn't stop thinking about the shower gel, and I knew that I was going to regret it if I didn't pick one up because it is limited edition, and that is the banana shower cream from the Minions Lush collaboration. Firstly, this packaging, I honestly cannot cope. So this is the brand new kind of like trial packaging for Lush, where they've basically done the print straight onto the packaging, and my job entails printing, so I find this very satisfying. Like, there's no label, it's all printed onto the bottle, which it just looks so sleek and so good. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, ingredients wise in this one, you've got vanilla, tonka, coconut cream and oat milk. I don't actually think there's any banana in this, which is like bizarre because it smells of banana. But this one again is vegan, it's self-preserving, and I just love the details on this packaging. Like, I'm sorry there's a sticker kind of in the way, but you've got some more characters kind of around the packaging, and it's just so cute. I love attention to detail like that. So let's give it a smell, even though I know what it smells like, but I'm going to smell it again. It's honestly... I'm salivating thinking about it. It is so good. Like, this smells like foam banana sweets. If you're from the UK, you know what they are. If you're not, essentially it smells like a really, I don't want to say a synthetic banana smell, but more of like a banana smoothie smell as opposed to like a fresh banana smell, if that makes sense. It's so delicious, and this one was £9. It is relatively pricey for a shower gel, but I know for the quality, for the fragrance and the ingredients, like, it is definitely worth it. And like, can we just take a moment? Like, why would I not want that in my bathroom? Do you know what I mean? He's so cute, and yeah, big fan. Love that one. And last but definitely not least, when I told you this was a small haul, guys, it's a small haul, but this product I have been meaning to get for months, and I have been so excited about it, and I just couldn't get my hands on it. But I saw it and I thought, you know what, now is the time. In my basket you go, and that is the Sticky Dates Sugar Scrub. If you guys know me, you will know that things like Yog Nog, Sticky Dates, anything foodie, I'm a big fan of. Like, don't get me wrong, Lord of Misrule, Twilight, Plum Rain, like, they are top tier for me, but this, I just can't. I just cannot. I simply cannot. It's basically sugar that smells like cake batter and caramel and like yumminess, and I feel like I'm gonna want to eat it. But anyway, this is one of the new formulated sugar scrubs, which I love. I much prefer this texture because I find that with the looser texture, like rub for example, I drop half of it while I'm in the shower or while I'm in the bath, whereas this is a lot easier to use. So this is the Sticky Dates Sugar Scrub, as I said, and ingredients wise we have got caster sugar, cocoa butter, argan oil, coconut oil, benzoyl resinoid, sandalwood oil. It basically smells like caramel though. It is so good. This one price wise was £10. Again, it is a bit more on the pricey side, but for me Lush is worth it. Like, it's the one thing that, like, skincare, body care, hair care wise, that I will spend money on. Oh, it's so good. Wow, this is incredible. So it looks like this. It's got a beautiful kind of gold glitter on top. It's so pretty. I just love it. I'm literally salivating. It's insane. And in terms of the texture, just so you guys can see it, like, it is more of a kind of mushy, softer texture. It kind of feels a little bit like porridge. I'm not gonna lie. Like, do you remember that porridge face mask? It kind of feels like that. It is so good though. Oh my goodness, like, for the smell alone, this is incredible. I actually got the Sticky Dates body spray as well, and it is so good. I didn't get it this time, but I already have it, but it is so incredible. And this, amazing, absolutely incredible. If you want to get anything from this video, actually, I love it all, but this is so good. That is everything for my little Lush Oxford Street haul. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and I would love to know down below, did you like this style of video where I basically take you with me to do the shopping and then I do a haul after? I would love to know. And if you did, I would love to know as well, would you like me to do it in other shops? Because I can make that happen. So let me know down below what you think. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Also, if you guys haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, as we are on our way to 11.7 thousand of you, which is absolutely incredible, and I'm just so grateful, so thankful, and I love you guys so incredibly much. So if you haven't subscribed, now's your time to do so. I would love for you to join my little family over here on YouTube, and yeah, you guys just mean a lot. So anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so incredibly much as always, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.